Right, so we come to the next video. So after we have looked through the function of get AIP from get tin from AIP server. So some of you might even ask, you see, I can't be editing each of my customer requests one by one. It also takes some time. So usually the get tin function is very useful if you are looking for to request from specific person or is a new customer. But let's say today you already have a list of customer and you want to request this information from them in a batch by batch. So what can you do? So in AutoCount, of course, indeed we have a function to let you do this in a convenient way. So you can just go to find in your chapter maintenance, you go to find. Okay, so the easiest way will be you just search. Okay, so it will search out all the customer that you have. You just check all, and at the bottom part you have a button called batch get in. So click on this one, and a message will prompt, are you sure you want to batch get in from the following chapters? Just click yes. Okay, so all the records, okay, that don't have a tax entity will be shown here. If you want to include those records, that those customer that already have a tax entity, you can actually play around with options over here, as you can see. So actually, this one got tax entity already. These are overseas customer which tax entity and government with tax entity. So we don't have to request for those that already got a tax entity. So usually this one by default we will take. Okay. So and here we got four customer. Okay, ignore this one. This one is a special customer, called Castle, a general one. We look at the other three. So we want to request the tax information for these three customer. So, and their email is stated as here. Okay. So, of course, you have to make sure your email setting is set up. Okay. So you will need to put in your own SMTP server, your port number, your security, your password, your username, all here. Okay. Then we just click on the generate request link. Okay, so once we click this one, it will prompt you, are you sure you want to batch generate? Just click yes. Okay, and this one, it will prompt a log. You can just click yes. So link generated for, and how many email is sent. So one is skip because the email is empty. As you can see, this one is skip because this one got no email. So no receiver lah. So this one is skip, you just ignore. So all of this got a link already. So this jsautocount@gmail.com should already receive three notif because this one I put into three customer. So it will shown here. As you can see, request company tax information. So because I do it three customer, it will prompt up lah for three times. So the customer just need to click into this link. Okay, and this one is for Checky Wu Sanjay Bahat. So the person just need to key in the information as below. Okay, so for example, I key in one. This one is let's say I just put back my email. Sorry. Okay, and TIN number, IG. Of course, this one is a fake one, and I just fill in everything as accordingly first. Okay, and I click submit. Okay, so email verification will be sent at this JS syndrome autocouncil.com. Cloud. Okay, so I can copy this and I put it and I submit. Okay, the company tax information will be sent. And moving back to this page, okay, I just go back to this function again. Imagine after a while, okay, uh, you will go back and search for this. Again, you check all, batch get in. Okay. Uh, okay. So you will need to untick this, exclude records with link. Okay, means you are looking for those that don't have tax entity but already got link generated. Means you already requested from the customer. So just now I fill in for Jackie Wu's and Jan Bahak. Okay. So now what I need to do is I just click on retrieve. Okay, it will prompt you a message. Do you want to batch retrieve? Just click yes. Okay, and you can see over here, it will be automatically updated, right? There's a log over here. So a log will show you lah. This customer haven't filled in their info and so on. So this one and this one, no tax entity yet, but this one because just now I filled for Jackie Wu, this one is already filled. And you can close, you go back to Jackie Wu, you view the tax entity is here. And you can also check the tax entity maintenance for this Jackie Wu Senja Berhad. These are the information that I actually, the Jackie Wu, the customer fill in just now. So this is how can you make use of this batch getting. So in case you already have a list of customer and you want to batch request and batch retrieve this information back into your accounting. So this is one of the way that AutoCount provides for you for your conveniency. All right.